Beginnings. Why do we love them so much? Once upon a time. What's it about those words that capture us, that make us want to know what happened next? By creating your own beginning, you get to remind yourself of what those aspirations were that took you into your particular field, or relationship, or country, or apartment. It reminds you of the fire that lit up your desires to change the world, to make a difference, to do something important with your life. It's the origin story that reminds us of why we do what we do. The way you construct your origin story is going to be incredibly constitutive in terms of the way people will understand everything that follows. Now think about the importance of origin stories in a business setting. What was it that gave the creators, the founders of the business, the impetus to form this company? Think about Facebook. Think about Starbucks. Think about Mercedes-Benz. When you go back to the origin stories of these companies, you get to see the vision and inspiration that created them. Now, with the proliferation of social media and internet-based information, we need to return to that age-old capacity of human beings to let people know who we are and where we come from. That's your origin story. Everybody needs one.